How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat device ban. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are not able to access your account and if you are facing issue of device ban on your Snapchat, I'll show you some steps and follow through and you will be able to fix your Snapchat device ban. Now the first step is to go to settings and change your time on your mobile device when you did not have any device ban on your Snapchat, and now search for date and time on your search bar, which is around at the top side of the screen, and now type on date and time. Now you can see there is an option that says date and time. Just tap on it and again tap on date and time. Now choose the date, which is on the date option, and now change it to the date when you did not have any device ban on your device. So I'm going about 4 months back, and now to save this date just tap on OK and you will be able to change your date on mobile settings. So after doing this step, if it doesn't solve your problem, I'll show you the second way. Now get out of this application and go to your Play Store and make sure to update your Snapchat application to its latest version. Just go to the search bar and type on Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. So if your app needs update, there will be update button instead of open, so you can tap on that update button and you will be able to download your update files. So after doing this step, so after this step, it might fix your problem. If it does not solve your problem, follow me to the next step. What you can do is go to settings on your mobile phone and tap on apps and notifications and search for Snapchat on your search bar and tap on Snapchat. And now we are at the app information of our Snapchat application, and now you can see that there is option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and now tap on clear cache files to delete all the cache files on your Snapchat. Just tap on it and you will be able to clear your cache files. So if it does not solve your problem, what you can do is change your imei number on your mobile device. You can do it through the application on Play Store. Just type on imei number on your mobile device and tap on search. And now you can see there is application that says imei generator, and install this application and you can change your imei number on your mobile device. And I hope that it might fix your problem. So after following these steps, I hope you'll be able to fix Snapchat device ban problem on your mobile device. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.